Hello friends, my name is Saurav Dubey and today I'm going to show you how to create JavaScript program for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I'm just writing code, so simple HTML, we just start from HTML and close HTML tag and body tag, right? So here we just take two input box first, right? So input type equal to text and their ID is first, right? And just close it. And second, input type equal to text and ID is second, right? So here we have to use one button also for addition and subtraction. So there is input type button, right? And ID is uh, their ID is btn, and we call our function name from this on button click. So our function name is like addition or subscription or like all division is arithmetic. So ART our function name is, right? So now we are going to we are going to use here script tag for script script, and now we are going to write our function. So our function name is ART function curly bracket open and close. And right here we create here one variable where first equal to document dot get element by ID, and here we define here element ID. Element ID is first and dot value, right? And where second value is document dot get element by ID, and here second dot value. So right here, because we are using here numeric value, because we have to get numeric value, so we use here parse int and close it, right? In both sides we have to use parse int. Parse int, right? And now we are going to add these two values. So I just create where result, and result is first plus second, right? And we have to display this result, right? So we are using here one ID for display this. So we use here div and ID is result, right? And now we are going to display this. So document dot write or document dot get element by ID, and ID is result dot inner HTML equal to our variable name is result, right? Now we are going to run this program and see how it's work or not. HTML. So that one is okay. So we are not defining here our on click btn value. So we have to use here type, or you can use only button also, so don't worry about this thing. So I'm just using here, so like click here, and further we do this button, right? Okay, so there's a problem with, because we have to use only button, there's no any input type or anything else, just simple button, and just refresh here. It's not look like button. Why? Because here is some problem with button. So what is the problem with it? I'm going to cut it and simple button tag, and ID is, there's no ID. there is, I'm just calling my function. So on click, I'm just calling my function name is art, and close this function, and button name is click here. I'm just going to run this program. So how it look like that. So now I'm going to input here 12 and 8 and click here. So we got 20, right? So we added this successfully, but we have to do multiplication, division, and subscription in one clip. So we just get here. I'll show you something. There are two methods you can use. Like you can write function like art. So you can write. You can use here another button, and in another button click you call another function, right? And do here I'm using here plus. So you can use minus sign, but it's too complicated, right? We are going to use very easy way. So simple is it. We just take one more input box, right? Input box, input type, text, and id is sign, right? And there is style equal to width, and width is 20 px, right? So now we have to find out what is the value we get from the second text box, means sign text box. So where sign variable, and here document dot get element by id, and here our okay. So here is our sign dot value, right? So now I'm going to use your condition, right? If um, sign value equal to plus, then we will do this overriding plus. Else if sign double equal to minus, then we do subscription. So we just do this two things, and here's right. So now we are going to do this thing, and here we write 10, and I'm using here minus sign, and here is 5. Let's see it's working or not. Oh, it's doing addition, so it's not working properly. So we just check it out why it's not working. If I'm using sign is dot value is, if sign is value is dot, so we have to find out why it's not working, because of SIGN sign ID that type sign dot value, and here is sign, and sign value is plus, then it's current and specific. So I'm going to if else. So it's working or not. Okay, because of we use here, we are not using here minus sign, sorry for that. And let's see, and again do this thing, minus and 5, and let's click here. Like you can see here is 5, we got 5. So it's just simple. You can write more function like subscription and addition also. Else if there is value is multiplication, so we just do multiplication, and if someone is 2 1 2 division, so simple it is divide, divided this, and here is simple division, right? So now we are going to run our program, and let's see, 20 plus 5, and let's see result. We got 25. If I'm going to change this sign and click on 15, if I'm going to change this sign multiplication, I got 100. If I'm going to change this division, I got 4. So it's very simple program, and if you have any doubt, so you can ask me. And thank you so much for watching this video, and please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.